This is our Business Advisory Report tutorial. Business advisory services provide businesses with expert insights, strategic guidance, and practical solutions to improve profits, create wealth, drive sustainable growth, and navigate challenges. The report can help your clients improve profits, wealth, security, and gain financial freedom, meet their legal obligations, and review and audit their business structures. Here is our detailed step-by-step report preparation process. Add the client and group members. You can do this by selecting My Clients from the left side menu, and then add a new client, which is the manual system, or you can sync Xero Clients, which imports your clients from Xero Practice Manager. If Add a New Client has been selected, complete the fields on the Members screen. Type, which is a compulsory field, and Client Name, which is also compulsory. You can now click Save New Member. To gain a complete picture of the client's overall financial position, we want to add all the individuals and entities that make up the client's overall structure as group members. Typically, this includes the client, their spouse, children, companies, trusts, and self-managed super funds. To add additional members, select the Add Member button and enter information in the fields as you did in the previous step. You can now click Save New Member. It's now time to enter current financial data for each member. Select the member's name. This will take you to the financial screen. In the Financial Year field, choose the year. Complete the fields with as much information as possible. The data can be imported from Xero, which is the quickest and easiest method, or manually entered. For example, for income type, select Business from the drop-down list. Enter the gross income in the Value field. Then do the same for deductions, assets, and liabilities. You can now click Save. Completing the Income, Deductions, Assets, and Liabilities tabs is necessary as the information will flow through to the report as follows. The income and deductions flow on to the Summary Business Benchmarking page. The income and deductions flow on to the Original Taxable Income page. The assets and liabilities flow on to the Net Worth page. Then click the orange Next button to return to the client screen, and the entered data will populate the fields. Repeat the process for each member. It's now time to generate the report. Choose the pink New Report button. In the Financial Year field, choose the year, which is in the Business Type drop-down menu. Select the business type and the software will automatically benchmark the business. The software also automatically determines the actions required to optimize the business. As the accountant, you can further customize or change the actuals and target percents financial data to optimize the benchmarking. The implementation advice and strategy explanation for each strategy can be customized and additional information added. Select Continue Report button. As the accountant, you can then select the relevant strategies, options, use the filters, and to make selecting the strategies easier. The report is now automatically generated. Review the report, and if the report can be improved, select the orange Previous Step button and go back to make changes. You can also customize colors using the Customize Report Colors button. Once the report is accurate, select the pink Saved Report button to save the report. You can then edit report or view the PDF, which then allows the report to be printed or saved and emailed to the client. The Business Advisory Report provides an outline of the selected business advisory strategies that have the potential to improve profits and create wealth if correctly implemented. It also details the implementation process, cost, and issues to consider for each business advisory strategy. The necessary actions can be implemented by the client, facilitated by you, the accountant.